Now, there's definitely been a lot going on recently with Terra Luna Classic and all of the different proposals out there. Ideas to change the burn tax again, move wallets around, and move the funds from the burn wallet over to the community pool, and things like that. But one thing remains true. Everybody continues to talk about Terra Luna Classic. Now, it is dominating social media presence still. We've got Terra Luna Classic trending on Twitter, LUNC to $1 trending on Twitter, Terra Luna Classic community trending on Twitter, and the community out there continues to put in the work and try and inspire investors to continue buying, holding, and so on. But although we are doing well, the numbers are much lower than they were before. And we've had a very nice price spike in Terra Luna Classic over the last few days with the major Binance burns, but it did not result in an excitement spike. It did not result in more people tweeting. It did not result in more people commenting, engaging. And I want to discuss the social media analytics numbers here because we know that there is a direct correlation between the price and excitement on social media. So let's talk about it. Of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, leverage, short, Terra Luna Classic, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance offer rewards for the more active trader. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. And of course, we know that Binance, at least currently, is supporting the Terra Luna Classic burns. And they're basically the only ones burning Terra Luna Classic. So if you want to contribute to that, they will be burning your trading fees at least until January. So make sure to check that out. But I want to go over some of these social media statistics compared to the price action because I do believe it's important to stay up to date on how many people are talking about any coin for that matter, but especially Terra Luna Classic and how that is translating over and correlating to the price action. So right now, the price is up roughly 12.8% from the week prior. And a lot of that has to deal with the Binance burns that came over. Binance burned 6.4 billion Terra Luna Classic just a couple of days ago. That is over $1.2 million worth of Terra Luna Classic wiped out. Well, of course, we're going to remint 10% of that and send it over to the community pool. So that is roughly $1.1 million wiped out from the circulating supply of Terra Luna Classic there. And we will be reminting roughly 600 million Terra Luna Classic and sending those to the community wallet. Now, we would expect roughly the same correlation in social media analytics such as social media engagement and mentions for Terra Luna Classic, but we're actually seeing the opposite. So the price is up 13% on the great news surrounding the Binance burns, but social media mentions are down 9.2%. Social media mentions over the last week only came in at 102,000. This is drastically lower than the millions per week that we were seeing just a couple of months ago when Terra Luna Classic was running much, much higher in price. And everybody was excited about the next level of breakouts that it could go see. Social media engagements down 3.9% over the last week, coming in at only 144 million engagements across the board. This is drastically lower than the nearly 1 billion that we were seeing just a couple of months ago. So social media engagements, social media mentions, not just rising at a slower pace, but declining on a week-over-week basis. And this is very hard to see because although Terra Luna Classic remains one of the most talked about coins out there, it is slowly falling off. And I do believe that there's a couple reasons we are seeing that fall off, and we can discuss those very quickly here. But we've got a lot of discord going on in the community. The Terra Luna Classic community is kind of fighting which direction to go. Is it burns? Is it builds? Is it paychecks? Or is it equity? You know, what do we look at in terms of compensation? What do we look at in terms of building value? And this sort of rift is dividing the community in a way that some people are upset about it. and they're less likely to talk about it. They're less likely to engage with it. They're less likely to share these types of, sentimental tweets, right? When you're showing emotion, and that emotion is potentially negative as opposed to positive, people react negatively to it. And we're seeing that here is the price action is moving higher. And instead of people being excited about it and being more active with Terra Luna Classic, they're becoming less and less active. Now, I truly do believe that price action is the king. Price action, no matter what is going on in the community, if price action is strong enough, it will cause an uproar. It will cause people to talk about it, and it will cause people to engage more heavily with Terra Luna Classic. So, all of this stuff set aside, people want to see results. And people, the results, there's only one thing that they look to, and that is the price moving higher. It doesn't matter. And on the surface, it doesn't matter. Under the surface, it absolutely does matter how much innovation is going into a blockchain, how much development is going into a blockchain, how much progress is being made during the bear market or during a bull market for that matter. How much innovation is being created absolutely matters. But when it comes to investors, they care about one thing and one thing only, and that is the money. How much money are we making? How much percentage gains have we seen today? Is the price of Terra Luna Classic, is this something that we're going to be just told now that we have to wait 5 years before Terra Luna Classic begins to gain in price? Or is it something that's going to be able to create that generational wealth that everybody wants, jumping into a lottery ticket play, which is what Terra Luna Classic is, and waiting for these massive rallies to take place as the chain continues to build? Price is exciting. Innovation isn't necessarily exciting to the common investor. And I believe that, once we get over that, once we get through these growing pains, once we get through all of the indecision and the disagreements, and Terra Luna Classic moves forward, the price will move forward as well. And when the price moves forward, it's going to create that cycle. Higher price, higher excitement, higher engagement, higher demand, which creates higher price, higher engagement, higher excitement, higher demand, and so on. And that cycle just continues on until the FOMO buyers jump in and the price is absolutely rallying once again. So guys, if we can make it through all of the discord here, all of the disagreement, and we can put Terra Luna Classic on a path for growth, we will win. So I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, plain and simple, are we going to win or are we going to lose? I hope that we win. Let us know down there, and of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.